are designed to, and if implemented well, will improve the situation and address some of these difficult problems that Balochistan faces, is a real opportunity for us. And we can choose how to face up to change and these big new initiatives, these ways of thinking. We can push back or we can push forward. We can highlight the challenges, what we don't have, what might stop us from moving forward. Or we can talk about what we can do, how we'll overcome those challenges, individually, collectively, with our teams, with the leadership. And I hope that's what will come today. I know in these types of meetings we often have people stand up and say, I'll tell you why I can't do that where I work. I'd love to hear, we're going to do that. We need some support in these areas. It's going to take some time, but we're going to do it. This is the type of thinking which we need from leadership to really move us forward, and we have that leadership today. I look forward to hearing that. And I hope we'll support each other as well. Often we can talk about the issues and the problems and bring each other towards a conclusion that it can't be done. But from the other side, we've also seen so many times when we've decided it's important, we've come together and we've solved that. We saw that with COVID. We've seen that with so many other issues which have come up in Pakistan. When there's a will, there's a way. When there's a desire, when there's a commitment, it can be done. The third reason I'm excited to be here is because I'm in Balochistan. And my colleagues know I have a special feeling here. I'm from a small village near the mountains. I feel that camaraderie. I feel that community within Balochistan, and so I want to be here. Because I believe, because I want, because I'm an optimist. I believe change can happen. I know change happens. I know that where we are now is vastly different than where we were 10 years ago. So change happens. And I believe we can be drivers of the change for what we want to see in 5 years and 10 years. And I'm excited about the partnership that UNICEF has had with Balochistan, that we're looking forward, not back. I'm also a realist. I realize change isn't easy. It takes a mindset. It takes having the tools. It takes having the very pieces together to make that change happen. And I think the way we balance between our optimism and our realism is to be strategists. We have to break this down into, what do we need to do about this? How do we address this? If this is a challenge and it's related to HR or medicines, how do we deal with this? And I was very encouraged and heartened to hear so many of these steps which have already been taken, from acts to advocacy for resources, to providing the availability of human resources, to thinking on very strategic efforts which we can make for those most vulnerable people in those most remote and hard to reach areas. So yes, I'm very excited to be here. I'm excited to see how the state goes forward. I look forward to seeing additional support, cooperation between UNICEF and the Ministry of Health in Balochistan, because I think what we're celebrating today is a lot of work which has been done to lay the foundation for building a much stronger system, to ensure that we have that information for decision making, so that we can target our interventions to those areas and those issues which are most acute and which need our attention. and to be able to celebrate success, to be able to show we've gone from 45 towards 70, that we've seen these issues, that we're reducing neonatal, child, maternal mortality, that nutrition is improving. Nutrition to me is a physical manifestation of multiple deprivations. If children are malnourished, they're facing multiple challenges. It's not just food, it's disease, it's behavior, it's care, it's treatment. And I really look forward to being able to tracking the overall well-being of children through being able to see nutrition and ensuring they get those services. So thank you very much for allowing me to be here today and to take part in this, to acknowledge all the good work that's been done, and to continue to see how this moves forward and how UNICEF can continue to be a strong partner. Thank you very much.